upcycling versus the circular economy, because I think there are so many synergies there between the concept of circular economy and the concept of upcycling food and other products. And so I just want to get clarity for myself and all of our listeners. Is it the same thing, or is there something different here?
I think upcycling is a way to think about the circular economy within the food industry. So the circular economy generally, it refers to an economy that is based off of more circular systems rather than extraction. So you're using the outcome of some manufacturing process. You're using the energy that you create through our economy to feed back into itself and create the next generation of products and goods and services, etc. And that's exactly what upcycling food is all about. It's you identify a food waste stream that was otherwise going to waste, like, as you said, pulp from a juice manufacturer that was previously going to waste, but loaded with nutrients and fiber and all of this good stuff, and also delicious, as you said, and creating a new product out of it. That's a great example of circular economy, and that's exactly what we're doing here. And I think it's really useful to talk about examples of what upcycled products are as a way of illustrating that. The Melissa and Superfrau, for those of your listeners who missed that episode, she's taking whey, which is a byproduct of the yogurt or cheese manufacturing process, and fermenting it into this delicious, right, Lori? Delicious probiotic fizzy beverage.
You feel like you're drinking something you're not supposed to have. That's how good it is.
Right. And it's such a good mixer for like a cocktail, and it's nutritious, it's probiotic. And so that's two examples, right? The list goes on and on.
You're absolutely correct. Probably the best way to tell what you're about is to just describe some of these products that are part of your association.
And one of my favorites, let's just keep going with more examples. One of my favorites is Cacao Fruit. Okay, so everyone knows chocolate. Well, cacao is not chocolate. Cacao is a plant. It's a tree with these beautiful pods that grow on it. And the way we make chocolate is that we ferment and roast the seeds of that fruit. Just the seeds, not the fruit, not the shell, just the seeds. And so what happens to the fruit? Well, the answer is most of it goes to waste. It's actually something like, one of our members is Barry Callebaut, and they're the world's largest chocolate supplier. And so they would know, and this stat comes from them, 10 billion pounds of cacao fruit goes to waste every year because there's such a high demand for chocolate. And so we're growing cacao like crazy for the seeds, but then all this fruit goes to waste. And if you look at the fruit, it is, first of all, delicious. If you've ever been to, Latin America or, somewhere agricultural like that, you'll see it growing and it's beautiful. And that you crack open these shells and there's this gorgeous white fruit that is super sweet. It's nutritious. It's loaded with nutrients. And why does it go to waste? Because there's just not an established market for it.